Alright, just got my new boxes in. I'm back with just a couple boxes, short video this time. I want to go quick and jump through this one. We'll see if I fast forward these for you, since nobody needs to sit there and watch the entire thing every time, right? So, we'll see if I fast forward this or not. I do think these open better on the top, by the way, than the bottom from last time. Alright, we got 3 blank cards. Let's open our first pack. Got an asteroid. Quantum mechanics. There we go. It's a nice shiny one. Hard to see with this light the real depth of the colors in there. It's a nice black hole. Bam. Just a nice border card. Neptune. Some stars. Second pack. First one on this guy. J. Robert Oppenheimer. Very nice. Number 75. It's another very cool, colorful one. Is that a rainbow holofoil? I believe so, probably. Hydrogen, number 25. Very nice. Niels Bohr, number 46. And the sun. Alright. That's one pack down real quick. Open the second one. These go very quickly. Alright. No blank cards in this one. Oh, let's hope that's something good. I'm gonna guess here's a good one right here. Let's open this. There you go. Rubber guard. Oh, that's a cool one. Algorithm number 40. Very cool. Leaves. And a nice border. Black and white. Very nice. And the ball. Nice. I like them shiny. Alright, let's hope that there's something good in this pack. May even feel a little bit curly in there. What do you guys think about that? You like to see that, don't you? Alright, what is it going to be here? A little tighter in the package. Don't want to come out there, huh? Alright. We got a helium. Regular card. An atom. Got that one again. There's our card. Algorithm. Very nice. Very nice. That'll be serial numbered. That looks like a ruby to me, huh? Wait a minute. Is that going to be... Okay. It's after gold. I got a gold last time, so this is an 18 out of 25. It's got to be a ruby, right? Very nice. Trigonometry, number 64. That is a beautiful card. Yeah, 18 to 25. That's my third numbered gemstone refractor. And 8 total packs. There's that last card there. That's a different hollow foil again with the border. Europa. But very nice. Very good to see. That's pretty good. In these smaller boxes, I did 8 total. Got 3 numbered gemstones. And got a plethora of others. So, hope you enjoyed that video. Hope this one went a little faster. I'm gonna get them to go faster. And thanks for joining. See you on the next one.